And here's a look at your forecast. 7 p.m. we'll still be in the 50s, but once we get to 9 o'clock, we'll drop into the 40s, 30s by 11 o'clock. And yeah, we are keeping our cloudy skies tonight. It does look like we should be fairly dry for your morning commute. We see a chance of rain at lunchtime, and then rain will be likely for the evening commute. Notice right now 36 degrees for Dayton. If we knock that temperature down by 4 degrees, we could be dealing with some freezing rain during the evening commute. But right now, it looks like our roads should be okay. Of course, the ground surface temperature will be a few degrees above what the air temperature is as well, which will help. On satellite radar imagery, we are looking at cloudy conditions across the region. The rain staying just to our south and southwest for now. Yes, this is all part of that big storm system that is dumping snow across the Rocky Mountains, now beginning to shift into the foothills and along the region. We have blizzard warnings in place across Wyoming into Nebraska and northern Colorado. Denver has already picked up 14.5 inches, and as you can see, continuing to see some snow now. This system is going to slowly push across the plains, and as it does so, it's going to increase our moisture. But we also have high pressure that's trying to hold on here just over northeastern Ohio, and as it does so, that's going to kick up our easterly winds, and therefore we are expecting some gusty conditions tomorrow. Our wind gusts will be 25 to 35 miles per hour during the day on Monday as this system approaches. So here's the breakdown in terms of our precipitation. A very low chance for an isolated shower, mostly for our southern counties tonight. And then that's the same story heading into Monday morning. This is 8 a.m. We may see some wintry mix trying to mix in, but overall most of us staying dry for your morning commute. And then we start to see the rain chances pick up around lunchtime, but our temperatures should be high enough above freezing we're dealing with rain. That's not the case through portions of Indiana and especially across Illinois and up towards Chicago. They're going to be tracking some snow from this system. By 5 o'clock, your evening commute home, we are seeing the risk for some freezing rain, especially for our western counties. That's going to be Mercer County, Darke County, Preble County, and also into Richmond, Indiana. But most of us will just be dealing with some very, very cold rain. You may notice some light ice accumulation on some trees and bushes and things like that. As far as temperatures go during the morning commute, we will be below freezing, so any shower that we get could create a slick spot. But overall, again, we are expecting mostly dry conditions during that hour. By 11 o'clock, notice these western counties. This is when you start to see your temperatures hovering there around the freezing mark. Dayton should be around 34 degrees, getting up to around 37, 38 degrees into the afternoon, but falling back to 35 for the evening commute. Right now, our temperatures will be close to that freezing mark there at 6 p.m. across our northern counties, but overall, we should be in good shape where even if we do get some of that freezing rain, it's mostly going to be on those elevated surfaces. Use caution on bridges and overpasses. Right now on the Troy Statter Center camera, we still have daylight out there, but we have a lot of clouds, not getting to show off that late sunset here. 54 degrees right now in Dayton, 52 degrees in Troy there. 27 degrees your low tonight. That's sun setting at 7:43. Tomorrow it's going to come up at 7:48, but again, we'll be cloudy and we'll be tracking rain and windy conditions throughout the day. 40 degrees your high tomorrow. And your hour-by-hour forecast, here's the breakdown. We really start to see that rain pick up by lunchtime. 38 degrees there at 2 p.m. It is going to be cold tomorrow. The clocks have sprung forward, but our temperatures fall back to winter-like conditions on Monday. We'll get spring-like temperatures on Tuesday and Wednesday, though.